What if your next self-care appointment transformed how you feel inside? In 2026, beauty is more than skin deep. Today, we uncover a wellness pairing many overlook. Brazilian waxing and lymphatic drainage, together. This may shift your perspective on self-care entirely. Ever felt bloated, sluggish, or low on energy? The answer might be in your lymphatic system. Unlike the heart, it lacks a pump. It relies on movement, gentle pressure, and natural flow. This system quietly supports your body's balance. It manages fluid movement, immune responses, and cleansing. When lymph flow slows, you may feel heavy and uncomfortable. That's why supporting lymphatic flow is vital in wellness. Traditionally, Brazilian waxing focused solely on appearance. Smooth skin and clean results were the goals. But modern wellness now reshapes this familiar ritual. By blending intentional touch with technique, routine services become mindful experiences. A Brazilian wax can become a moment of relaxation, a deeper connection with your body. This is where beauty meets purpose. So how does lymphatic drainage fit into a Brazilian wax? It starts before the waxing begins. Gentle, rhythmic motions encourage lymph flow. These movements are intentional and never aggressive. Throughout the service, technique plays a key role. Focus on directional touch and light pressure. Consistent, flowing patterns are essential. Afterward, calming movements restore balance. This approach adds intention, not time. People who embrace this method report noticeable shifts. They feel lighter, experience less tension, and find calm. And while smooth skin is immediate, the wellness effects tend to linger. This is not a medical claim. It's a supportive practice working with your body. In our fast-paced world, balance matters. Self-care in 2026 emphasizes doing things with awareness. Incorporating wellness into beauty rituals respects both results and well-being. Whether you're booking your next appointment or exploring new services, ask about intentional techniques. It's a powerful first step. The future of self-care focuses on how you live in your body. If this video enriched your wellness journey, support our channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Discover new insights, modern wellness, and future-focused self-care with us at MTH Health.